Yo, what is up everyone? My name is Dom and we're here to talk about one trade we're in today, NVDA calls that went up over 900% by following unusual options activity. So I'm here to show you the trade and why you should follow my channel to see my strategy. So first, this is just proof that we were in these calls here, so I'm not making this up. This is a screenshot from May 24th. It is May 25th today. We're recording this video. You can see we took this screenshot at 11:30 at night. You can even verify it up here. We were in these calls. Now, options, you cannot trade after hours. After hours, NVIDIA had earnings yesterday. We got these calls before the close. So we got in these calls before the move. You can see that these calls yesterday at the close were trading at about, we were in these June 16th 350 calls. They were trading at the close at about give or take $350. So today, obviously, we sold those calls. We took profits. And if you take a look, this is NVIDIA here. The stock was up 78 points, almost 25%. These June 16th 350 calls that I just showed we were in yesterday, these calls went up, you can see, almost 1,000% today. So why I made the trade. So pretty much all week we saw institutional traders coming in. They were buying a ton of calls in huge dollar amounts. They were buying these June 16th calls, pretty much all these different strikes. They were buying June 9th. They were even buying the May 26th, this week expiration calls. Pretty much all week, whenever I see action like that, where it's continuous buying, that is definitely a good sign. So I want to talk about my strategy a bit. So I'll scan for a big option volume. I will verify that that option volume is buys. I will verify that it's institutional traders coming in and placing these trades because they know best. They have the best research in the game. So I like to follow those people. I try my best to make sure that it's not a hedge by following shorter dated people buying shorter dated calls or puts and verifying that the volume of the transaction was greater than the open interest. That's super important. So next, I take a look at the chart, do some technical analysis on it, figure out if I like the chart, and then next, just a quick fundamental analysis. If I don't know the company already, that is kind of important to me. I know people just do technical analysis, and that's kind of it. But I like to add my own judgment into these trades. Look at the chart, see if I like the chart. If I like the company, that is definitely a plus. So basically, it comes down to me liking the option flow that I'm seeing, liking the chart. If I like the stock fundamentally, I will definitely enter that trade. That is what we did with NVIDIA. They had earnings. So I tend not to play earnings because stocks can report good earnings and the stock can fall. So I normally don't play earnings, but since I saw such a massive amount of institutional flow here, we decided to jump into these calls. They're up almost 1,000% today, a 10-bagger. So once again, this is for educational purposes only. You have to decide your own risk tolerance, really understand options. And I'm just showing you my strategy and why you should follow my channel and possibly learn what I do. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Make sure to smash the like video so I know to keep making more content like this. Hope you guys will follow the strategy. We'll see you in the next one.